Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dotted line in Excel cell. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data. Now you want to add dotted line into Excel cell. At first, select your data. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the border drop down menu and select the line style. We can see here many line style. Now I am select the dot and again go back this option, choose all border. Then go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see we add the dotted line in as a border in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.